I'm Karen from the Centerville Regional Library, and I seem to have a love for cookbooks. Reading them, drooling over the amazing looking photographs in them, and wondering, can I actually make that? So when I came across the Baking Cookbook for Teens, 75 Delicious Recipes for Sweet and Savory Treats by Robin Donovan, I figured, what better way to tell you about the book than to actually try one of the recipes? Because unlike some Food Network star chefs and bakers, Robin Donovan is not a known name to me. So, what did I do? I flipped through the book, which covers baking basics, tips and tricks, definitions, and especially what the different tools are, and then started looking at all of the recipes, which are rated from easy, level 1, medium level 2, and a little more advanced, which is 3. And figured, what can I make that sounds yummy and is quick to do? Because it was about 10 o'clock last night that I decided I need to make something. So I went flipping through and hit the jackpot under the savory section of this book and found easy, cheesy bread. So 10:30 at night, I'm at the store grabbing ingredients. 11:30, I'm back home and starting to bake. 15 minutes of prep, 20 minutes of baking, 15 minutes to cool, and success. I had easy, cheesy bread. Yum! And yes, there's a piece missing because I had to let my husband try it, and his comments was delicious, and at least with my first attempt, he said it had a little bit of a biscuity texture to it. So if you too want to try making a very easy cheesy bread recipe, along with learning about different sweet treats, and even some savory ones like, say, lasagna, you'll want to check out the Baking Cookbook for Teens, 75 Delicious Recipes for Sweet and Savory Treats by Robin Donovan, and published by Rockridge Press. So, thank you, Rockridge Press, for letting us share this book with you. And if you do check out this book and try some of the recipes, be sure to tag the library and let us know what you've made, because I always love seeing a good baking attempt photo. So, happy baking, and now for me, it's snack time.